Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Fundrise for investment updates step by step clearly. Visit the Fundrise website in your preferred browser. Locate the sign up button, usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and then click continue. Next, create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password meets the required criteria. Once your password is created, click Create Account to proceed. You may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Fundrise. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Fundrise website to log in with your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Notifications or Investment Updates. Here, you can customize the types of updates you wish to receive. Select your preferred options for email notifications. Ensure that your notification preferences are saved. Stay informed about new investment opportunities and insights. Regularly check your email for the latest announcements and updates. Enjoy your investment journey with Fundrise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.